kan long shisha ka jingkul ku bakhrawi ki samla puli kan thei jong ka laban bot kum juru jong ka chala hi bro ka wai hadien bo meli ka 19 sau ubadeiru menteri sarkar Bah Sanbor sulai lapli pai ba ya ka women hostel ka badan hapo ka darbar snong constituencies export lbang kuman chikudo ba ka tei ka chaka basna ya ka women hostel ka chinghe jong ka chaka ka don kumba khat 8 square feet bat la long try ka trat forest bat ka bolong ru ka chaka jong Ktem sniew hakipor ba isra eka bat ka jiyo ijngai Bah Sanbor house nam arja khnyo labu yo maunong rim nak banta bante ya ka tei hostel kaba on penia da ka garu welfare society hapo ka jingpai katna social welfare habakran kum kongsan Bah Sanbor sulai lapan pa ya ka jingman bat ai khublei ru ya ka sarkar blai lam do dr mukul sangma bat kumjuru ya ka nik sarkar bamanta hapo ka jelam konrad ke sangma kibla trisitom mon pendulong bandonno da ka women hostel ka auditorium bat ka conference hall.
During those days, actually originally this land belonged to the revenue department government of Meghalaya. And for a few years, you remember, as reported by Honorable Rangwashno Hetman Baglan Nindo, the forest department temporarily they have leased this land from the revenue department for running the children's park. You remember? After that, I remember when I was in college days, the children's park has been abolished, and all the material has been stolen one after another. Then after what happened, sometime when we come to this area, we used to file a complaint also to the police. It has become a dense of anti-social elements. And few beggars, few people also they have constructed a shed. Every evening they will come and sleep here. And this drug peddlers, this drugs addict also they used to come here because it has become a dense, a safety place for them to drink, to inject drugs, and to do all these anti-social activities. Luckily, the police station is near here. The police beat house is just adjacent to this auditorium working women hostel. I remember this land was also applied by the Kyrwoh States Oxford, Kyrwoh States Ringworm Welfare Society. But when we have my friend from the revenue department informed me, Bah Sanbor, why don't you file an objection? So I called the local Sengsamla. That time I was MDC. So we filed an objection that this land should go to the local, to utilize in the name of the local organization or the government. And after that, they have sent to the government from the DC office after completion all the requirement formalities. So they have forwarded to the government for approval. Thank you to Dr. R.C. Lalu, the then revenue minister, because he is my relative, he is my uncle. So when the file reached his table, that time I was deputy speaker. Reached his table, then I went to meet him. I said, sir, we have to get the approval from the full cabinet bench. You know what? See, Dr. R.C. Lalu is such a wise man, intellectual. He said, why should we send the approval to the full-fledged cabinet? I am the cabinet minister, then you are my relative. Then and there he took the file, he gave me a cup of tea and he approved. He had no need to go. Then we signed the agreement, lease agreement. When I informed the director for release agreement, he's shocked. How? We don't know. We don't have any record in the office. I said, I have done it. Don't worry. Then Dr. Mukul Sangma, the chief minister of the time, I have a meeting with him regarding this. So he called the Urban Affairs Department to prepare the DPR, plan estimate. And he have sanctioned under the special plan assistant for an amount of rupees, 4 crore 50 lakh 39,000 for this auditorium, come work working women hostel and conference hall. In the same year, we have got also the lease agreement also signed for the construction of the then Bishopur Market, now renamed as Loop Chatsi, and the Dorbar Hall of the Dorbar Song Loop Chatsi Justice, which we have inaugurated and generated employment to the poor local people a few months back.